Hello everyone. Welcome to my video editing tutorial channel. Today I will show you how to use the newly introduced masking tool in Filmora 13. Let's begin the tutorial. Go to Stock Media, and select Partner from the left side menu. Use the search option to search Mountain Lake. I need the same copy of the video 2 times, that's why I have added this video twice. Add a title to the middle of both videos. Modify the color, size, position, and text as required. Add the first keyframe at the starting point of the title. Add the second keyframe at the playhead position, and change the position of the text. Select the video of the top layer. Go to the mask option. Now select the new AI mask for masking. This AI masking option is only available in Filmora 13. Use the brush and mask the area as needed. Click on the invert mask. That's all for this tutorial. Export the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.